Read the sentences. Complete the questions. Where was the hare walking? What did the hare see? How was the tortoise walking? Where did they start their race? Who went to sleep? How long did he sleep? When did the hare wake up? Who won the race? Read the sentences. Which animal is each sentence about? Write hare, tortoise, hare, tortoise, hare. Group work. What does slow but steady wins the race mean?